Hello friends. Now you know what are intersecting lines. Now look at this picture. These thin lines of the wave represent intersecting lines which intersect one another A. Okay. Then you can also see this vertical line which cuts the intersecting line of the wave at this distinct point such as L, M and N. Okay. Now can see so many intersecting lines and transversals in the spider web. Okay. Now you can see uses of this geometrical concept, and you can see many examples in many examples of intersecting lines in our day-to-day lives, such as chair, railway track, or table. Okay. You can also see the use of intersecting line in the construction of the bridges. Let us understand more clearly. Okay. Now we see what is transversal and what happened when it cuts two intersecting lines. Suppose these two lines, suppose these two blue lines represent the intersecting line, naming as L and M. Okay, and suppose this orange tube represent transversal, name as the line P. Okay, then now you can see this line P in which is intersecting these two lines L and M at distinct points such as A and B respectively. Okay, now you can see this transversal line. This transversal line is a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points. When transversal P cuts the intersecting line L and M, the first angle is formed here. Okay, the first angle is formed here, and likewise second angle is formed here. Also there are 8 angles which are forming such lines. Okay, now you can see that when a transversal cut two intersecting line, 8 angles are formed, 4 angles at point A and 4 angles at point B. Now, do we find examples of the transversal cutting two parallel lines? Take a look on this picture of a tree trunk. This tree represents approximately straight parallel lines cut by another tree trunk, which represent a transversal. Okay, now take another example. You can see there are many leaves, and these leaves are having multiple parallel lines represented by leaf veins. Okay, and which are cut by the main vein representing a transverse. Okay, you can see that we have made a purposeful use of this geometrical concept of parallel lines cut by a transversal in our day-to-day life. Okay, we take another example. Now you can see the picture of the railway track. When the train runs on the track without its wheel colliding with each other. Okay, if you look another pictures like the picture of a window or the picture of the gate, you can see there are the parallel lines, and also there is a transversal which is cutting these parallel lines. You can also see the example of antennas and these examples. Okay, you can also see the use of parallel lines in our tradition to represent our tradition, such as the sari, rangoli. Okay, so we find many applications of the geometrical concept of parallel lines cut by a transversal all around our day-to-day life. Now we have seen the position of transversal is likewise, and in this picture you can see the position of transversal is changed. So from this we understand that if we change the position of the transversal, the measure of the angles are formed by the transversal are changed. Okay, now this is our concept.